Hello, welcome back for another one. Earrings popping out. Good to me. As in, it's all come out the bag. Broken. They are some very nice chunky beads. I think they'll go in like a job lot. I was going to say summery, but they're not bright enough. That's nice. Looks like a bit of marble. And the cord's alright. That'll go in a job lot. That'll go in a job lot. Whatever that is, it's broken. Legs can go over there for a minute. It's falling out anyway. Go over there. It's long, thin pendant. I'll go into a job lot. Broken. What in the hell's bells is that? Is that a coffee and some chocolate biscuits? Oh my. Someone's made that, handmade that, haven't they? Well, it's definitely out there. That can go in a job lot. Earrings. I'll put them in a job lot. Come on. They I've got long gaps in, so they can go in there. Is this broken on here? Looks like it. BM, is that Bon Marche? That's broken anyway, so that can go in there. Lots of tags again. Sparkly. Nice enough. Go in there. I'll go vintage brooch. Knotted, heavy. Go vintage. That can go in broken to take the pieces off. That being kids. That's a brooch for a lot. One of those. I'll go in like a natural one, natural jute necklace. That's been broken there. That looks handmade. That can go in broken. Earring. You say 925. I say let's test you. Disney. Oh, little miniature crowns and Cinderella shoes. There's a pair missing. They can go in a Disney lot. A penny farthing. With a farthing for its wheel and a 1 penny. A penny farthing. Where's the handlebars? Oh. Oh, that is just adorable. I wished it had the handlebars. I'll keep that aside, see if we can find them, and then one of my clever children can fix it for me. Bangle. That's nice. I don't know what that's meant to be, but it is nice. That'll go in one of my lots. I've just broke the necklace doing that. Oh, it was already broke. Earring. Cladder. Scarf ring. Vintage. You're a cute little teddy. Are you anything? No. Little sparkly teddy. Okay, job lot. That's gonna go. Another scarf ring, 2 circles. You don't mean anything, do you? No. Go over there. Another earring. Earring. One of those sparkly bracelet things. That's gonna go. That would have been nice. So is that. It's rubbish. I keep finding the same earrings. Somehow they keep sliding over to me. It's like milk glass, but that's grubby. Bangle, earring. It's broken. Glass. Earring. No, didn't have that one. It's like a cat's eye purple. It's nice. Job lot. Oh, is that a belt? Looks like a belt, doesn't it? Yeah, it's very long and wide. I usually do a job lot of like similar ones. I don't know why, I just prefer job lots. I think it's easier or lazier to do. But I work full time, so I don't want to be inundated with eBay. So the quicker and easier it is, the better. I don't think that's anything. Feels magnetic. That'll go in a ring slot. No, you don't match. Earring. 1 button beads. I don't remember. I think they used to do well. I don't remember how well they do now. I think I'll put them in my £5 to £10 ones and see, and if they don't do that well, I'll know in future. They're old ones. Jasper Conrad. Oh, that's nice. I wouldn't usually bother with Jasper Conrad, but I bother with anything that's chunky like this. Always sells. Not loads of money, but it always sells. So I'll do that one. Earring. Earring. Oh, you're another belt. If you was, you're broken. Gutted. Sure, I've had another part of this at another time. Merry Christmas earring. Merry Christmas earring. They go in together. It's a fat face little shell necklace. Job lot. What's attached to where? You're meant to be on there, okay. You're not. So you can come off. Right, you're meant to be on there. Yep, going job lot. That cord's clean, that can go in job lot. Right, I'm going to do this necklace first because otherwise it's just going to get caught in everything I do. K. MDE. What on earth is that? We're not hallmarked on nothing. MDB. Right, I'm going to look that up because I need to start learning and remembering. That feels awful, so that's going broken. That is broken. That's glass. The cord's alright. Going there. You've seen better days. Got a couple mixed in here. Little penguin. Oh, how cute. Going job lot. I think that's is that a matching bracelet to that necklace? I'm just tangling everything up again. You're attached to that. Okay, so that's it. You're out of there. You need to come off there, and you need to come off. Is it a matching necklace? Yeah, I'll put them in the bag together then. It's always nice to get something that matches. Earring. 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 Another earring. Did I test another one to this? If I did, I don't need to again. Broken. You are next. You've seen better days. You're okay. You're a pretend bolo type. Yeah, you've got all your bits. It's plain and simple. Rubbish. A man and a woman kissing. Pilgrim. That is really cute. Charm. Going in a job lot. Earring. Looks like a nice earring actually. $9.25. I'll check it. When I said nice earring, I thought it was going to be like a Swarovski, not a $9.25. Spare cord. That's got a bit missing. Lava beads. Seen better days. That's okay for a job lot. Surely that doesn't go like that. Again, broken. That's fixed, so that's going broken. It's far too small. Nice little enamel swirly. That's looks like it's been glued together. Broken. That's nice. Nice colour. In there. They're broken. Right, what we got? We've got a cord necklace that is broken. It's the kings of the broken today. That's nice. It's plastic, but still quite nice. Go in the job lot. They are spare key rings. They'll go in like a new craft bit slot. Why are you tied together like that? 18-carat gold plated. That can go in broken. A spare chain. It's broken. Holy Sins antique jewellery. Is that meant to be a bracelet or something? I don't know. Don't look like it. That can go in a job lot and someone else can work it out. Yay! Right, this one. I'll just test them. Do the hook and the bottom. Hook and the bottom. One, two, three, four. I don't think the bottom of the second one is. No. The other bits are though. So the hook is, but the little heart is not. So that's silver. Put that in there. I need to change my tissues. Right, so we have got Jasper Conran chunky chain. This little thing that is MDB to look up and learn with a K on there, and one button necklace. My first £10 necklaces, which is quite poor again, isn't it? They give you one good thing. I'm joking. All these for oh, I didn't find the handlebars. Don't know what to do with that now then. Yeah, all of that for job lots. I'm still over the moon with my bracelet, so I have no complaints. Anyway, oh, hold on, I found a pair of earrings. You can go together. Is there any more? Did I miss any? Oh, you're a pair of hoops. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye bye.